Here's Kiki, got in the bag. Picked this up from the grocery store today. Kitty, kitty.